guys, this is Rara Coco. Quick update with regards to ticker symbol BBIG. So I still believe in the nuclear MOAS and it's going to happen. Just hang in there because there is a big uptick of price that it's about to happen next week. Here is why. BBIG hit double bottom right now. So as you notice right here, it's $1.94 right here. $1.94. And then over here, also at $1.94. So it's kind of like hitting a double bottom and also forming the W. So W right here, another W on this side to the uptick. So I'm expecting a big price uptick next week. Today is Friday and now it's Saturday morning. Okay, so there is an information here that I'd really like you guys to see. If you look at the situation, the short interest right now went up to 19%. This is the reason why that BBIG price was brought down to below $2, the last 5 days. Below $5, and then but when it hit $1.94 or $1.95, it starts to go up price wise because that is the buy zone. That's kind of like our bottom price, that's our bottom price. And then the current short interest right now is 33.5 million, and that is highest since the last 4 weeks. Okay, it's the highest the last 4 weeks. And the shares on loan is also at the highest at 50.84. If you see it right here, it's rising up 50.84 million. Okay, it is rising. So total 33.5 million share. What is the total amount in dollars? That would be $66.06 million is what is shorted right now on our ticker symbol BBIG. If you look at the overview, the shares that is available to trade in the market is only 176.35 million. 176.35 million. So this information right here is giving me a good vibes and good indication that next week there's going to be a massive uptick. It's because we are on the buy zone. The buy zone is the accumulation phase. It's a very cheap price, and a lot of the retailers are going to buy next week because of this price. When there's nothing much happening, they wait for the price of BBIG to go down some more. And then once it's identified that the bottom is hit, lots of these traders are going to buy BBIG, and you will notice a big uptick. Okay, now the utilization, it's still at 100%, guys. 100%. That means in the exchange, there is no shares available to borrow, but they borrow from somewhere else. Plus the cost to borrow right now over here, it says current is 102.33%. That is massive. The last 7 days is 127.86. Guys, I still believe in nuclear MOAS. I am not backing down, and I'm holding lots of my stocks. And it's just a waiting game, guys. It's just a waiting game. That's all that is. Okay, that's all that is. And the reason why they keep bringing the price down, it's because of this. This is AMC calls and puts. Every time we hit the $3 mark right here, it is a massive open interest. They don't want you guys to win this. All of these open interest. This is massive. This is massive, and this is like December 16, 2022, right? For June 17, look at the $3 strike. 24,000 open interest over here, 4,124. This is an indication that the stock of BBIG is severely manipulated by the short sellers, the market makers, and the hedge funds, just to make more money on every Friday options, calls, and puts. And a lot of them are in such trouble because the shares on loan right now is 50.84 million and 33.5 million is shorted. That is an amount of $66.06 million. Short score of 83.44 is massive, guys. This is huge score indicating that the stock is heavily manipulated. Lots of naked shorting. Okay, nuclear MOAS is still going to happen. You're just gonna have to wait, and let's wait and let's buy, let's accumulate, which I'm going to do. I'm going to accumulate more of BBIG. Okay, I'm going to accumulate more of BBIG. BBIG is the highest um, what do you call it, investment that I ever have, and I always win. The way to win is to wait, timing. I don't pay interest to hold the stocks. The short sellers are paying 102.33%. I don't pay that. They do. So there's no pressure for me not to hold. So all I have to do is hold. I will never sell, not until, okay, not until that BBIG does the nuclear MOAS. Okay, I'm going to hold for you, my BBIG family. And may you have love, peace, prosperity, and good health. My name is Rara Coco. Please don't hesitate to subscribe. Don't hesitate to like, and don't hesitate to hit the notification bell. Thank you very much, and you have a good day.